In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create textures in Figma without using any plugins. So if you're ready, let's dive right into the world of design and start enhancing those visuals. First, we'll begin by heading over to Figma, the popular collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't already, navigate to the Figma website on your browser. You'll find options to either sign up or log in. For those of you who already have an account, simply click on login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page, which is your gateway to all your design projects. From the home page, shift your focus to the design section. This is where all the magic happens. By selecting this option, you're taking the first step into a world where creativity and technical expertise come together. Look for the text tool. This tool is a simple yet powerful feature for adding or modifying text layers within your design projects. Click on it to activate your ability to integrate text into your designs. Next, navigate to the Appearance panel. This panel is indispensable for altering the visual nature of your text. The settings here allow you to manipulate various attributes such as color, transparency, and much more, giving you the freedom to customize text according to your creative vision. Now it's time to add depth and character by applying a blend mode. In this step, you'll bring life to your text by engaging different compositional techniques. Blend modes are excellent for creating unique textures as they determine how your text layer interacts with the other layers beneath it. Click on the Apply Blend Mode option to explore a series of choices. From Multiply to Screen, each blend mode brings its own unique effect, changing how your text is visually interpreted when combined with layers beneath it. This engaging process of modifying blend modes is where experimentation truly pays off. Often the key to creating stunning textures lies in the intersection of trial and playfulness. Don't be afraid to try different modes and values. You might just stumble upon a combination that transforms your design in unanticipated ways. And remember, Figma's interface is forgiving. You can always reset changes or tweak the options without worrying about losing your progress. By following these steps, you've successfully ventured into creating textures in Figma without the need for additional plugins. Remember, the essence of great design lies in the details, and textures are a subtle yet powerful way to add depth and interest to your work. With this newfound skill, you're now equipped to enhance your design projects, making them not just eye-catching but also uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.